Libra. This is your reading for next 48. We are going to see your partner's energy towards you and what can you expect to happen. This reading is for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and North Node. Let's see. I'm getting either this person do not want you to know about their feelings or this is you. You don't want to know about this person's feelings and you want to move on. There is some kind of change. I'm also getting number 3, number 7. These numbers could be important for you. For others of you, Libra, number 37 could be important for you. I'm also getting you could have seen 1111 or you could be making a wish. I'm also getting some kind of change that will bring happiness, but this time this happiness is permanent and I'm getting stability for you. Okay? Because I'm getting for some of you, somebody could be inconsistent, or this could be about your love life, Libra, that you feel happy, but this energy shifts and you don't feel that way again. I feel now there will not be any inconsistency. This is permanent. For others of you, there is a possibility you are going to be in your power, you are going within, you are listening to your intuition, and I see you very spiritual, or you are taking a wise decision here. Because I'm getting for others of you, there is a possibility this happiness is permanent, but this is about you, Libra. Because you could be deciding to move on from a certain person. So you would know which is your situation and let's see. Because I'm getting two situations here, but outcome is same for everybody. Happiness and stability. Let's see. Now please press the like button and think about your person so that we can see their feelings for you for next 48. Let's see. You can type 777 in the comment section. Okay. I'm also feeling Libra. This person wants to do something. They are feeling they cannot wait anymore, but still they are not ready. Still they are taking a lot of time. We will see what this is about. Let's see. But I'm also feeling slowly their confidence is building and yes, they are going to do something about this situation. Okay. Okay. See, they want to come towards you or they want to move forward with you in this connection. I'm also getting they are leaving everything on the divine. Yes, they have the faith and they are also having a lot of passion for you. They are very passionate to make this connection work and let's see. They also feel very happy with you. They feel you are moving on. They want to make peace with you, but they're confused. I'm also getting they are thinking a lot of people around you are very toxic or you are stuck in some toxic situation. They also think you are keeping a distance and you are trying to figure out what exactly you need to do in your life. This could be about your home situation or everything family, work, friends. But this you as a healer. Right now, your energy could be a bit distracted, but they know you have it within you. If you decide to leave, if you decide to have peace within you, you can do that. You could be meditating, you could be very spiritual, and they think they should come forward and talk to you. But in the past, they left you out in the cold. Yes, they are missing you. I'm also getting their family is giving them a hard time. It could be related to their responsibilities, but yes, their ego came in a way. Now they want to talk to you, they are thinking about it, but they are also worried, Libra. They are concerned about this situation now. How can they talk to you? How can they make it work? They are literally concerned about the stability, and I'm also getting for some of you, they want to meet you, but this is the issue here. Maybe because of physical distance, or could be possible this is about their family. That's it. But yes, they are missing you. They think you're not taking any action towards them, but they have a hope that even though you are pissed off, still you are not moving on from them completely. A part of them still believes that if they are feeling alone without you, you're also feeling that way. Yes. Now they want to give you clarity. I'm getting this person could be pissed off. Maybe they cut you off from their life out of anger, and I also heard jealousy. But I'm getting now there's a change. There's a complete transformation. And now they are restless about this situation, and yes, they're having sleepless nights. They're also guilty about leaving you this way. They tried to avoid you, but now slowly they are trying to have a balance, and they are also trying to look within, because I'm getting a lot of situations where distracting them, distracting their mind. I feel they are very emotional about you, but they are trying to avoid their emotions, and that's because they're unable to handle this. Yes, they want to talk to you, they want to have a reconciliation. They are also very possessive of you, but they're holding back. That's what I'm seeing here. They're definitely holding back. At the same time, energetically, they're holding on to this connection. You could have met this person at your workplace, or you could have gone to a school or college with them. They want to make a move towards you, but they're holding back. That's because they are guilty and embarrassed. They want to make a decision. This could be an internet connection for some of you. It could be a long distance relationship. They want to have a new start in their life. They want to choose the best option. They want to think about this situation differently, and they want to heal. Yes, they want to heal themselves. They also want to heal the situation, and I feel this person either is married or they are simply seeking stability. So, deep down their heart, if you're not married, yes, they would like to be with you. They are seeking stability, they want to interact, but after some time. Yes. If one person here is already married, they still want to interact with you, they still want to have a balance, they still want to have you in their life just as a friend, but they do not want to lose contact. That's what I'm seeing here, Libra. Let's see. Okay. They're going to do something unexpected. I'm getting a change here. This person is obsessively thinking about you, and they will try to get your reaction. Okay. So this is the action towards you. I'm getting wheel is turning in your favor. They're going to do something. They're going to change the situation, and yes, this person could be very possessive of you. One person here could be stuck in a toxic situation, and yes, their behavior could be a bit toxic. I'm getting possessiveness here, jealousy, and fear. But eventually, I see them coming towards you. Maybe they will do something to get your reaction, and this is not coming from the place of love, but I'm getting possessiveness. Maybe they will try to make you jealous, or they will say something, they will do something so that you can approach them. But I'm getting they will also try to satiate their ego, and that's because they're thinking you're fine without them. But yes, I see them making a move towards you. I see the reconciliation, I see the communication, and yes, eventually I see the happiness here. Yes, they are taking action towards you. This is for next 48. You could be looking out there for this person, or you could be thinking about the past. I'm getting if this is your person, they are thinking that how helpful, how supportive you were. It was a soulmate connection. They are missing the good time they have spent with you. If it's about you, Libra, I feel you are looking at the past, but you are thinking how you were the only one who was trying to have a balance in this connection, but they were not doing anything. They were not putting any effort at all. Yes, they could be pretending, but deep down your heart, you know, Libra, you were the only one, and that person was simply there. But I'm getting you could be having a past life karma with this person. Let's see. Okay, so there's a possibility of a new start in the outcome as well. So, yes, it's possible. But I feel it's coming either from the unexpected person or at the very unexpected time. It's like you are thinking it's over. Maybe for now, you only want this person to realize that yes, they have done wrong to you and that is it. But you're not expecting them to come towards you, to talk to you, and have a new start with you. I feel this is happening. Yes, for some of you, there is a possibility of new love, or this is going to happen at the very unexpected time or in a very unexpected way. But I'm getting the very new energy here for you. I'm also getting, for some of you, not for all, there's a possibility. There's a presence of outside influences in this connection. Let's see. Yes. I feel you are feeling stuck, you are feeling stagnant, or you could be thinking every time the cycle repeats itself, you are overthinking, or you're not even focused on this person or your love life. But I feel this is the time when your manifestations are about to happen, about to come. See, we have the number 1 and 1 here, and I did mention 1111 in this reading. I also got a channeled message for you that this time the happiness is permanent. So, yes, that kind of message I'm getting here again, that you're not expecting it, but change is coming, and this time this happiness will be permanent. Exactly, talking about the change, we have the 10 of swords here. Suddenly situation will work out in your favor. I'm also getting if you were dealing with somebody who was manipulating you or who was very good when it comes to their words, I feel now they are going to speak the truth. This time, this relationship is going to be crystal clear and you will know everything about this situation, about this person. Because this is the karmic justice. Talking about the justice, we have this card here. And we have the number 11 Libra. Exactly. This is the time when they will treat you like you are the empress. But I feel this is happening because you are going to take care of yourself. You are going to know your value and you are going to know who you are exactly. Love is coming in your life. This is the soulmate connection, Libra. I'm also getting if you will decide to move on from a toxic person. There's a possibility very soon new love will enter your life and this will be a soulmate connection. Yes, there is a change in their mindset and they will take action. I'm also getting for some of you, this is you, Libra. Especially if you are deciding to move on, this could be you. If you were stuck to this person, let's see. I'm again getting the number 7 for you. So 7 minutes, 7 hours, 7 days could be important for you. I'm also getting 25th of this month could be important for some of you. I just saw the number 7 in my phone. I'm sorry for keeping you stuck. I need you to have a balance. I told you this person is trying to have a balance and I will give you commitment this year. So 7th month could be important, Libra. That's for some of you. Sometimes I feel we were destined to meet. Yes. It was a karmic connection, destined connection. I'm sorry for the background noise. I will message you soon. So Libra, expect a message. Just one card, please. Let me work on my finances first. I promise I will heal our relationship too and put efforts to make it work. I'm beginning to have feelings for you because there's a change in mindset, and I feel they were in denial and now they're going to accept. They are also going to express it. Because of your honesty and sharp tongue, they took a step back. Here we have, they have been thinking about you too. So, right now, if you were thinking, this person don't even think about you, I feel this is the message for you. Okay? I'm also getting they're very nervous to see you again, to contact you. You feel like home. I'm getting the number 3 for you and number 5. So 3 or 5 hours could be important for you. I will never leave you. Someone here could be having an age of 35 or 37. Yes, I'm happy with you. And see, we have this card here. You make them so happy. I will call you, and here we had, I will message you soon. So Libra, you are my soulmate. Just one card, please. Okay, here we have, you are my twin flame. Can you believe it? We got soulmate and twin flame both. One more, please. I feel they are feeling the spiritual connection with you. It's like even if there is a silence, they can feel your energy, and yes, they fell in love with you when they first saw you. So definitely, this is the past life connection. As I mentioned, I want to be with you. Okay. Even if it's a new love, this is going to be a love at first sight for this person, and they would want to be with you. Suddenly, you both will feel the instant connection. Okay. If it's a new love, I'm seeing the very positive messages here. For others of you, if you already know this person, yes, future is good. In that case, I'm getting this person could have hurt you in the past and there was not equal give and take, but now this is going to change. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Libra. I really hope this reading helped. Type 111 in the comment section to manifest this reading. Thank you so much. Bye bye and take care.